God, right now, touch the person watching this. You see them. You know what they didn't tell anyone today. The pressure, the quiet fear, the exhaustion. And before they sleep tonight, do something they cannot ignore. Because you didn't find this video by accident. Stay with me. Don't scroll. You were about to sleep, but something told you to pause. That's not random. Let's be honest. You're tired. Not just physically, but mentally. You've been strong for too long, smiling, holding it together, while something inside you feels heavy. And now it's night again, and everything you ignored during the day is starting to speak. But listen carefully. What if tonight is not just another night? What if something actually shifts tonight? So don't sleep yet. Just breathe and pray this with me. Even if you don't fully believe, just stay. Father, you see this person watching right now. You see the parts of them that feel broken, the thoughts they can't control, the weight they've been carrying in silence. So tonight, let your peace find them. Not tomorrow, not later, right now. Let it settle over their mind, like quiet after a storm. Let it reach their body, every place that feels tense, tired, or weak. Your word says you restore, you heal, you renew. And right now, they need that. So step into what they cannot fix. Touch what no one else understands. Heal what they've been hiding. And replace their fear with peace. Stay here. Don't rush this. This is the moment something begins. God, while they sleep tonight, work in ways they cannot see. Break what's been holding them back. Silence what's been tormenting their mind. Let answers begin to form. Let strength return. And let them wake up feeling different. Because you were already working. Now say this, even quietly. I am not alone. God is with me right now. Something is changing, even if I don't see it yet. Peace is entering my life. Healing is starting in me. And I will wake up stronger than I was today. Listen, if you felt something while hearing this, that wasn't a coincidence. Type Amen if you're claiming peace tonight. But don't just type it, mean it. And if someone came to your mind while watching this, send this to them. Because they might be lying in bed right now, needing this exact moment. Close your eyes. Breathe. You're not alone tonight. God is already working.